Welcome to part 2, guys. This is antuonki, and after my break, I finally know the set of this name is called Hell Blizzard, and the name of this one is called Psycho Drive. So let's get the Hell Blizzard packs opening started. Since I've got put a secret rare in the Psycho Drive, so now I'm hoping to get one in the Hell Blizzard, because in my experience I know that once you got a secret rare in one booster box, you have really fewer chance to get another one. So here we've got an Arcanine Hollow, which is awesome. Show you the commons and commons too. This is so nice artwork. In my opinion, this set is better than the Red Collection. So, right, let's keep on moving. So there's a hollow again. Bronzor, Weekly Tough, or I don't know, I forgot the name of this. Ralts, and a hollow is this one. And we have another new Pokemon here that I don't know. So it's okay. There are many names that I don't know, so it causes inconvenience of me to describe the Pokemon without the name. So Hippopotamus, the same guy, and a Floatzel. Is it Floatzel? No, it is a Weavile. Yeah, Weavile. I think that's the Pokemon, Weavile. Correct me if I'm wrong. I've long time no opened the packs of Pokemon. That's why I am now forgetting the names of the Pokemon. Even the easiest Pokemon, I usually forget. So this is really cute again. I don't know what this is. It doesn't look like a Pokemon, but yeah. Another Pikachu. Looks like we have another hollow here. Weasel, Growlithe, and Awesome Pull here. Nice EX. Very, very nice. Although it's not a secret rare, it's really good to get an EX. So that's very awesome pull. Awesome. Wow, I'm so excited now. And a really awesome double colorless energy, in my opinion. That's awesome pulls in this pack. So thanks for watching, guys. I will make it short, and see you guys in part 3.